it is given that integration of 4x power minus 1 by 2 x dx limits are 0 to p equal to 9. Show that p equal to this one. How do we show this? First, I should integrate this, then replace the limits and then equate it to 9, simplify, make p the subject, you should get this one. Understood? Now step 1, I need to integrate this one, that is 0 to p 4x e power minus 1 by 2 x dx. Okay, now see, this 4 will not play any part, so write it outside. So this will become 4 integration of x. Here 1 by 2 I want to write it to be 0.5 x dx. Okay, now in order to integrate this, I analyze that it is a product. Whenever you want to integrate a product, you need to make use of integration by parts formula. Integrating a product, make use of integration by parts. So integration by parts formula is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, so here it will be du by dx. Here it is dv by dx, so here it is v dx. Okay, I equate these two. When I am equating, I realize that one of it should be taken for u and the other one should be taken for dv by dx. Now the question arises, which one do I select for u? And that is told by the word I late. How does this word helpful to us? See, here x power 1 is algebra A and e is exponential, so e. So out of a and e, whichever letter comes before in this word, that should be taken for u. So out of a and e, a comes first, so u is a, that is x power 1. So dv by dx is equal to e power minus 0.5 x. Okay, here what you do, take d by dx on both sides. So here du by dx is equal to, this cancel out 1, and here send dx that side. So dv equal to e power minus 0.5 x dx. Now you do integration on both sides. This cancel out, v is equal to integration of e power x is e power x only by derivative of, in place of x whatever you have, derivative of minus 0.5 x is minus 0.5 you get. Now this 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. I take this up along with the negative sign. So now v is minus 2 e power minus 0.5 x. However, it's suitable for us, in that way I do the change. Either 0.5 or 1 by 2, accordingly I will do. Now, this formula replace in this one. So in place of u it is x. In place of v it is minus 2 e power minus 0.5 x minus v. V is again the same thing, minus 2 e power minus 0.5 x, and du by dx is 1. Okay, so 1 dx. Next, here this will become minus 2x e power minus 0.5 x. This minus 2 will come out, so making it plus. 2 e power minus 0.5x dx. Okay, now minus 2x e power minus 0.5x plus 2. This integration we already did here. We get minus 2 e power minus 0.5x. I am directly replacing it here. Minus 2 e power minus 0.5x. Okay. So that will become minus 2x. Here minus 4 e power minus 0.5x. Clear? Now, this integration is this one now. Here I have 4 before that. So this entire thing should be multiplied with 4. So what do I get? Minus 8x e power minus 0.5x minus 16 e power minus 0.5x. Okay. Next, limits are also given. Limits are from 0 to p. So write here 0 to p. Now upper limit minus lower limit. So when I put upper limit, what do I get? Minus 8 p e power minus 0.5 p minus 16 e power minus 0.5 p minus lower limit now. Lower limit is 0. In place of x, when I take 0, this entire thing is gone. So 0 minus 16 e power 0 I get. So that is minus 8 p e power minus 0.5 p minus 16 e power minus 0.5 p minus minus plus 16 e power 0 is 1. So this is what we got. Now he has also given us integration of this entire thing is equal to 9. So now I should equate this to 9 and simplify. I make p the subject. Okay, now let us do that. First I subtract 16 on both sides. So what do I get? And I take from these two e power this common. So e power minus 0.5 p common. So what do I get? Minus 8p minus 16 is equal to this, cancel out, 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Okay, take minus here also common. If I take minus common here outside, I get 8p plus 16 is equal to minus 7, cancel out this 7. Now send the bracket to the other side. So it will be e power minus 0.5p is equal to 7 by 8p plus 16. Now I should make p the subject. To make p the subject, this e should be removed. That could only happen if I take ln on both sides. Ln, so now the power will come before natural logarithm. So that is minus 0.5p ln e is equal to ln 7 by 8p plus 16. Now ln e is 1. So this is 1. So we are left with minus 0.5p is equal to ln 7 by 8p plus 16. Now send minus 0.5 to the other side or divide by minus 0.5. So here p is equal to, now 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. I am taking this 2 up. So this will become 2 of minus 2 of ln 7 by 8p plus 16. In the question that we needed to show, there it has 8p plus 16 at the top and 7 in the denominator. To get that, what I do is take this negative as the power. So p equal to 2 ln 7 by 8p plus 16 power minus 1. So apply the power to each. When I apply, it will become 7 power minus 1 by this entire bracket power minus 1. To make the power positive, they interchange. Thus, it will result in 2 ln 8p plus 16 by 7. This is what we had to show. And we got that one. Is it clear? Okay.